long time them a try bring me down. And not just now, from a very young. Chat me every day with them funny tongue. Them a watch me on the telly now. Yeah, giving up now. We put up a fight. We got to be ready. Cause time's getting tricky. Just said, don't you worry.
I can like snap by. Step up.
It's a big ant, yo.
Are you ready, mate? Come on. Or now move, so dog.
Fuck, man.
Hey!
Let's go, man. Yeah, man, see you.
George! Bro. I don't know if you guys can see the sky right now. Easy, right here. Breathe this shit here. Yeah?
Come, jump on next one. Hurry up.
You gotta get a hang of it.
Eh?
Hold on.
Ready? See you.
Ready?
Go.
Watch man them toes, yo.
Yeah, good.
Don't give me the one that was near your
She had
stinking
it, yeah.
shoes. Ew, put your pants. I want to see your boxers.
Listen.
In here smells raw because the conch. Unruly dog. Ziggy unruly dog. Watch him. Rocky. Wiperies. Yo, half of our day is done. Ziggy has cement all in his nose, his ears, here. Yeah. We about to go to the beach because it's like friggin' minus 30 something degrees. Last night it rained so heavy, I was so scared. Didn't you hear me tell I was scared?
Yeah.
I'm like, Ziggy, hug me, I'm scared. I don't like thunder and those stuff, man. It's so scary. But we're about to go to the beach. I can't wait. I'm literally diving in the water. So hot. It's hurricane season. Jamaica got like the tail of the hurricane. Or Hurricane Irma, whatever the name is. But take in the freaking waves. Like, this is not normal. This is rough. Anyways, we brought the kids to the beach. Treat them. Bro, this water is so scary.
It's very, very scary.
Very. That's all they're tight. My whole pants is wet.
Got you up.
This guy right here, he's single. Alright? Single as a motherfucker. We're anywhere, we're up on the beach. So, we just put $100 in the Gatorade machine. Fortunately, we got 2 Pepsi.
Oh my god.
My boss. Let's see, I mash up the chicken. So we come on the beach, watch her. Because of the storm and shit. Like, oh, these babes. Fly them right now, you know. It's kind of a nice day, but thanks to the machine, yo. Thanks to any direction, like you can turn it in where you want to turn it. Like when you have it $100 and you can turn it anywhere. Yeah, like you can turn it so, you can turn it so, you can turn it so. Anyhow, it still works.
Let me find this
Yeah?
in that water.
Yeah, with the How's it? How's the water?
Fine, but little rough, but we still can deal with it. No matter we stay near fish. You have no more chicken?
Yeah. Shell, I ain't got near my friend.
No.
I know you're not gonna believe, man. You're not gonna believe.
You're not gonna believe, man.
But I'm sure.
You dance when it was them come on.
Mas asa siya kayo na helmet ko wala dito na.
Excuse me, right down so.
Where?
Right down so.
And then what?
And then press this.
And then what?
And then listen them chop and then
How much come out?
Mas kumot.
How much money you put in there?
$100.
So you get free Pepsi.
Get it. Oh my God. Great.
This shit is crazy. Yo, from me I come a beach, I first me see water come all the way up person.
This is not bold again. Wala na kayo dyan.
Fly them there, enough door. Straight up the water go come now, you know. Right.
Now what?
Is it? First me see water come so far, you know, my youth.
Remember see the storm out on the highway?
No, Peter.
Remember the storm was out on the highway? So that's why the water is coming up. The storm is on the highway coming. Yeah, level the vibes there.
Level the vibe, level the vibe, level the vibe.
Big boy, the boy do. You are? Yeah, big. Level the vibes.
Yo! Yeah, so Dave, how you about this saying to my youth? I got him a snare and can surf one.
I just told them that we are and we can't school.
You should believe me. Yeah, go.
Hey. Hey. Ina kissing teeth lah. Ina kissing teeth. Level the vibe, level the vibe, level the vibes. Listen. Level the vibe, level the vibe, level the vibes.
He can see you right here.